again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're doing fish fry. So I'm using a kingfish. We're doing this in an Indian style. It's got some beautiful, beautiful flavours on there. It is super, super easy and delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's start by taking a look at the spices we're going to be using for our marination. So equal parts here, like 1 teaspoon each for the amount of fish that I'm using today, of turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. About 2 teaspoons of garlic ginger paste, some salt to taste, and then here I've got some lemon or lime juice. I'm actually using lime juice, but you could be using lemon, and some oil. We're going to also add a little touch of water to this. And if you wanted, I'm not doing it today, but in a very common way, people would use some food colour, some red or orange food colour, but I'm opting out of that. Simply, we're just going to get these together and make a very kind of easy paste that will go on our fish. Okay, so I've got a bowl here and I've got in there my lemon or lime juice and my oil. We're now going to add in chili, coriander, cumin, turmeric, garlic ginger paste and some salt to taste. Just a little splash of water. And then we're simply going to mix that up, and that's going to be the marination for the coating of our fish. Okay, so now onto our fish. Now I'm using kingfish, but you can be using any type of fish you wanted, you know. And I'm going to do these whole like this in these steaks, but you could, if you wanted, cut them. It's very simple. We're just going to get our fish and dip this into the marination. And then what we're going to do is we're going to leave this in a fridge for about 30 minutes or an hour. If you wanted to do it overnight, it would be great. Then we're going to go straight over to the cooker and we're literally going to fry it. Okay, so fish is ready. I've now got a pan, or a wok or something, a frying pan. I've got some oil in there. You can use less oil if you want to do it really kind of fairly nearly dry if you want, but I like the oil. That's getting nice and hot, and what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our fish. Now I'm just going to do these one at a time because these are quite big. What we want to do is we want to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, and then they're going to be done. Okay, there you go. Absolutely wonderful. Let me get that out. Look at that. Perfect. I'm just going to get that onto some kitchen paper to get any excess oil from that. Now we're going to go in with fish number 2. Now, you may have noticed when I put that first fish in, it kind of buckled up. That's because of the skin on it. So I just clipped the skin around. I've already done it on this one, so it shouldn't buckle up too much. Same again, about 4 or 5 minutes. Depending on the size of your fish. Okay, and there you go. Really, really simple, lovely fried fish. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.